Hello and welcome. We're doing that song again, and I'm going to show you how you back up into the other chords. So let me demonstrate the chords first, the chord positions that you are going to move into. We have our G major, the C sharp here, and the fourth of that, this one here is here, and the fifth is right here. We're doing chord on chord. Now a chord over chord. Now this is the D sharp of the G major scale. Now you're backing up. You back up remember this was the fourth. Now the fourth is gonna be this here. And the fifth is this one. Okay, so the root, the fifth there and the fourth there. If you back up to this position, that's your root, and that's your fourth, and that's your fifth, C sharp. And if you back up to this one, that's the root, and that's the fourth, and that's the fifth. So remember, if you know 145 on any position, we'll repeat these things so that we understand. We will repeat them, playing some grooves on each position on the chord over chord. Okay, so what you're going to do with this song here, which is so that's where you are playing. Now you can actually be starting by, if you take an octave, so that's how you go into there. So let's explain this one. We've taken an octave, so there's a triad here, 2-string triad, which is a 1, which is G, and above it there's a D, and if you move a tone back, that's a fourth, and up above it you have a root again, which is G. So G, and then the fourth, and then the fifth, and then the root, and the fourth again. We will study the order of these fourths and 1-4-5 thing. We'll do a series on 1-4-5 because it's very important. And come here. That's the root. So we will try and follow these things. Okay. That's your fifth. So here we are playing. So you're sliding to the fifth. Moving from the fourth, that's an octave. So fourth, fifth, was fifth, fourth, and octave, fourth. The other one, and the other one. So let's fill it up. I will explain to you this. This is an interesting chord progression. This one here, because there is a chord progression going on these two strings. This 1 4 5, and there's another progression going on with. So you can look at. So, so there's an interesting two chord progressions going on. 1 4 5, 1 4 5. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I'll meet you in the next video where we explore the principle of two principles: position playing and position change. This one was position change. I was changing between two positions, and then I finally changed to this. You can have this one played by the bass, by the way, or by another rhythm, and then you can proceed to go down the higher notes, higher registers. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.